Rice production or rice farming has become very rampant or very common in Ghana. Initially, we import rice into the country. Little did we know that our land is very fertile for rice production. Okay, the first experiment was carried out in Mafi, Aveima. So that is where the first production took place, and we have Mafi Aveima rice. Mafi Aveima rice. That is commonly in Ghana. Okay, as time goes on, it has spread across the country. If you go to the northern side or the northern part of the country or Ghana, we see people doing rice production and they harvest good rice. Now, when you come down to southern part of the country, places like Dabala Junction, Dabala, Agbakopo, Hikpo, Lakpo, Agbogblin, Sogakope, Juapon, and what have you, they are now doing well in rice production. They are now doing well. You can see this is the rice, and this is coming from one person's farm. This is coming from one person's farm, and not just anyone or anybody, but this is for a woman. This is for a woman. One person. One person can harvest over 50 bags of rice. One person can harvest over 50 bags of rice. That is 50 kilogram bags of rice that one person can produce. As you can see, but before we proceed or we move on, as you are watching the video, I will ask you to watch it to the end, like it, subscribe to our channel, share it as many as you can. Okay, here we go. This is the part 2 or episode 2 of the rice production. Initially, we did initially we took you to the farm and then how it was planted or how they plant the rice. Now, this is the harvesting and then the drying stage before the machine also takes over. Okay, as you can see, the children busily drying the rice under the sun before it is taken to the machine to remove the chaff or the peels. Okay, this is how they transport them, and you can see this is one of the machines that remove the peels. But we'll be talking much, or in the next video we'll talk about the machine and explain how they all function. This is the scale. Yes, how the machine functions. So we'll explain it in the next video. Okay, you can see people busily under the machine. Yes, and this is like a dumping site for the chaff. Yes, you can see some bags around there. People fill all these bags and then they use this chaff or this peel as fertilizer. They spread it in their farms or in their houses.